What is strain theory by Robert Merton? Tandaan natin to, no? Developed by Robert K. Merton. Individuals' inability to achieve culturally valued goals causes frustration. Pag meron kang isang bagay na gusto pero hindi mo makuha, you might do or you might cause a deviant behavior and possibly na maging illegal yon. Ano pa? Um, ang deviant behavior or criminal behavior responds siya with the strains. No? Yung strains na meron ka with your life that gives you negative emotions. If you fail to achieve yung goals na gusto mo or nagkakaroon ka ng encounter negatively with others, you might turn into crime para makapag-adapt or makuha mo yung bagay na yun. Bigyan natin to ng context, no? Let's explain deviance typology briefly. Conformity, innovation, ritualism, retreatism, and rebellion. What is conformity? When we talk about conformity, it's individuals accept both the cultural goals. Example natin, yung kayamanan or yung success, no? It's the cultural goals. Ano ba yung legitimate means para makuha yon, no? Education, mag-aral ka, or magsipag ka. That's accepting cultural goals and accepting legitimate means. Kapag innovation naman, dito, individuals accept the cultural goals. No? Tinanggap niya. But reject the legitimate means. No? Kasi gusto mo na makuha yun into illegal or illegitimate manner or ways. No? Example natin with innovation, pagnanakaw, no? Or causing fraud. No? You accept the cultural goals pero nire-reject mo yung ways para makuha yon. That's innovation. Ritualism, you reject the cultural goals but continue to follow the legitimate means, or often becoming rule followers without a strong sense of purpose. Yun ang ritualism. You reject the cultural goals pero you accept legitimate means para makuha yon. With retreatism naman, individuals reject both the cultural goals and illegitimate means. And ano bang setting nito? You withdraw from society. No? Umalis ka na kasi you reject everything. You reject cultural and legitimate means. Mga tao mostly nagiging homeless or mag-engage into drugs kasi nga wala na silang cultural goals, wala na rin silang institutional means. Rebellion naman, individuals reject both the cultural and legitimate means and nire-replace nila yon. No? You replace or you get or you have a new means para makuha yon without adhering dun sa cultural goals tsaka legitimate